Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 2019 on a 69 BMW 520 diesel M Sport. Now this is the XDRIVE model, so it's four-wheel drive, M Sport being the must-have car, and finished in this wonderful dark grey metallic. Now this car has just done over 32,000 miles, so super low mileage, obviously in the last number of years, but in absolutely gorgeous order. Now the car itself is sat on these 19-inch multi-spoke black alloy wheels, and they're all in wonderful order with fantastic tyres. Now this paintwork is in gorgeous condition. Couple of minor stone chips, but nothing that's not consummate with the age and mileage of the car, but all round the car is in absolutely A1 order. Now I think the dark grey metallic with the black wheels and then the external black styling detail, so the black detailing around the windows, we've got the black power vent in the wing, we've then got the privacy glass. What an absolute corker. Let me say, the first person to come and look at this vehicle will most definitely be driving away in it. Now you can tell that the last keepers have owned the car and cherished it because the paintwork is in glistening condition. Now the power vent down there is in black, we've got the M Sport detailing, but when you take a look at the side of that vehicle, we've done a 3-stage machine polish and detail on it. It is in absolutely gorgeous order. Now the minimal marks, full stop round it, it's in beautiful order. So as we come round there, we've got the twin tailpipes, we've then got the XDRIVE designation, so you'll never be stuck anywhere in this. Pop the boot and we've got this super large boot. Just take a look at that. You'll fit anything in there if you've got a growing family. This one's got parking sensors front and rear and a reversing camera. What more could we want? Just look at it as it's in this light here in Wigan today. We're in the California sunshine. What more could you want? Just think about this car on your drive. The neighbours would really be envious. All the wheels, as I say, just look at the detail on that wheel. These are my favourite wheels on a 520. Double spoke, multi-spoke in gloss black. Contrast is absolutely to die for. So, as you can see, what an all-round external look. Great. Now a 520 diesel is absolutely wonderful on fuel. As I open the door, we're met with this superb Dakota black leather interior with the aluminium crosshatch. We've then got the Harman-Kardon surround sound system, so we've got the tweeter speakers, we've got the larger speakers in the door, aluminium detail in M Sport, and then electric seats. But as we hop into the car, we've got this digital cockpit, so I'll fire her up there, shut the door, and there you can see 32,599 miles. It'll get a service before it leaves Wigan, so it's up to date on the inspection, and it'll go through that inspection process. I think the last oil service is done pretty recent, and the next one's due in, if I go through to the status of the vehicle, let's have a look at that. So that comes down, and then we go down to the car, and as you can see, vehicle status there. And as you can see there, next service is, or vehicle checks due, so we'll do all of that before it leaves Wigan. But then if we go to check control, engine oil, we can see all of those service requirements. Vehicle come across here, and the engine oil needs changing in June 25 or 11,000 miles. That's good going, isn't it? So coming down to the centre console then, we've got then climate control, we've got heated seats, the air conditioning is on at the moment and is ice cold, automatic handbrake there, sport, comfort, economic modes. Obviously we've got the full satellite navigation system, we've got the Bluetooth media player as well, we've got everything on it. Now as you can see there as well, we've then got the satellite navigation up on the clocks for the digital clocks. We've got then onboard computer, and we've got automatic wipers. This steering wheel in my hand is a chunky M Sport leather steering wheel with the multifunction detailing, so we've got speed limiter, cruise control, and then we've got all the controls for the steering and the radio. Press that button there and that will then change up on the clocks there. You can see we've got various functions throughout. I can just click down, so you've got everything on there. Super car. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper was a non-smoker. This still has that fresh, new, clean aroma. All the seats are perfect. Do like the white detailing and that piping around the seat. Lovely, comfortable seats. These, they're a wide arch seat. Put the reversing camera on there. You can see we've got reversing camera, parking sensors. Yeah, what more? I do like 5 Series BMWs. They are gorgeous. Lovely to drive as an M Sport vehicle, but comfortable, fuel efficient, you name it, this car will do every job that you want it to do. A gorgeous, gorgeous vehicle all round, and 32,599 miles on a 520 diesel engine. Let me tell you, it's barely running. So let's take a look in the back, because that's where the kids are going to go, and they would love it in here. So we've got Isofix there if you've got child seats. We've also got USBs, so if you've got 2 iPads in the rear, you can put that on, and then we've got climate vents there as well. All the carpets are in fantastic order. Everything about it is wow. Now I would have that on my drive, definitely. Put a private registration on it, that car could be a brand new vehicle. Nobody would know it wasn't a new vehicle. And in that specification, Harman-Kardon sound, 19-inch wheels, full Dakota leather, parking sensors front and rear, reversing camera, the technology in it and the extras on it are absolutely to die for. So if you'd like to reserve this vehicle with us, give us a call. I'm Graham, there's Dominic and Lee. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can. Check out our reviews, check out on Auto Trader, you'll see that we have yet again won 2023 Customer Care Award again. We've won it every year. If you fancy a part exchanging or you need finance, give us a call, we'll do that all over the phone. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.